Hi children, today our topic is real numbers, 3 marks and 4 marks important questions. In previous video we discussed already the 2 marks important questions. Now I am going to explain 3 and 4 marks questions from real numbers. See here the given question, the LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 600. If one number is 280, then find the other number. See here the given LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. We don't know LCM and HCF in this case. So, solution, let LCM be L and HCF be H. So, the given L is equal to 14 times HCF. So, write 14 into H. Take this equation as 1. And next, they given one more. That is LCM, sum of LCM into LCM plus HCF is equal to 600. So, L plus H is equal to 600. Here, L is equal to 14H. Substitute the equation number 1 in equation number 2. That is 14H plus H is equal to 600. 14H plus H is equal to 15H. That is equal to 600. H is equal to 600 by 15. If we cancel 14, 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60, 0. So, H is equal to 40. H means we know that is HCF. HCF is equal to 40. Now, we know the HCF but we don't know LCM. Then, substitute this HCF value in equation number 1. L is equals to, what is L is equal to? 14 into H. So, 14 into 40. That is equal to LCM is equal to 14 4 is 56 0. So, 560 is the LCM. Now, we know the HCF and LCM. Here the given one number is 280. But we don't know the numbers of LCM. So, the two numbers be A and B. One number already we know that is 280. So, we have one formula that is LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So, here LCM is equal to 560. We find already here. Next, HCF is equal to 40. That is equals to product of two numbers. We know one number that is 280 and we don't know another number that be B. So, to find the B is equal to 560 into 40 by 280. 0, 0 cancel. 4 1 ja, 4 7 ja. Again 7 1 ja 7. 7 80 ja 560. So, what is the B value? B value is 80. So, what is the another number? The another number is 80. Next question. The second question is, the HCF of two numbers are 4 and 48. If one number is 12, then the other number is what? We know for formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Here HCF they given 4 into LCM they given 48. 4 into 48 is equals to A into B, means product of two numbers. 4 into 48 is equals to, we know one number that is 12 into B. So, B is equals to 4 into 48 by 2. 12. 12 1 ja, 12 4 ja. Again 4 4 ja, 16. So, the B is equals to 16. So, the another number is 16. Next question. Prove that 2 plus root 3 by 5 is an irrational number. To prove these questions, first we need to assume like 2 plus root 3 by 5 is a rational number. 2 plus root 3 by 5 is equal to P by Q. P by Q means that is a P and Q are the numbers, the real numbers that co-primes is equals to 1 and Q naught is equal to 0 here. 2 cross multiply 2 plus root 3 into Q is equals to 5 into P, 5P. That becomes 2Q plus root 3Q is equal to 5P. And again root 3Q is equal to 5P. This plus 2Q go to that side, that becomes minus 2q. Here only write root 3 value. Root 3 is equal to 5p minus 2q by q. Here see, 5p minus 2q is an integer. Means take any value, it will take like only integer value. And 5p minus 2q by q is a rational number. What we are, this is root 3 is irrational number, this is rational number. Irrational number not is equals to rational number, so our assumption is wrong. So 2 plus root 3 by 5 is an irrational number. Next, one more question. Here find the HCF of 865 to 55 using Euclid's division method. Here Euclid's division method, see, take the what is the smallest number here, 255, 865. So 255 is the smallest number. 255, here write 865. Do the division 255. 255 3 is 665. If you subtract, you get 100, and again write 100. This divisor as dividend here, 255. Again 100 2 is 200. You get 55. Again write this 100 to here. Again 55 1 is 55. Again subtraction, you get 45. Then again write this 55 here. 45 1 is 45. Here remainder is 10. 10. This divisor write as dividend 45. 10 4 is 40. Remainder is 5. Again 5 10. So 5 2 is 10. 0. Up to remainder you should get 0. Then stop the division. Then write like this. 865 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 100. Why? We know one rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Like that, 865 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 100. And again write 255 is equals to 100 into 2 plus 55. Again 100 is equals to 55 into 1 plus 45. 55 is equals to 45 into 1 plus 10. Again 45 is equals to 45 is equals to 10 into 4 plus 5. Next 10 is equals to 5 into 2 plus 0. So finally what is the HCF of 865 and 255 is 5. Next question is, find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two given numbers. Here solution, the given two numbers 404 and 96. For this question, we need to find the HCF and LCM separately, and if you take the product of HCF and LCM, it should be the same product of 404 into 96. See here HCF of 404 and 96. 404, write the prime factors of 404, that is 404 is equal to 2 2 is 4, 0, 2 2 is 4, again 2 1 is 2, 0, 2 1 is 2. We can write 2 into 2 into 101. Again take the 96 prime factorization, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now to find the HCF, we know take the common factors, that is 2 2. So 2 2 is 4. The what is the HCF? That is equals to 4. Again find the LCM. LCM, to find the LCM, take the common factors, that is 2 into 2 4, and uncommon factors are 101 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. That if you multiply these numbers, you get 9696. Here find the product of HCF into LCM, that is 9696 into 4. That answer is 38784. But they given two numbers, product of two numbers is equals to 404 into 96. If you multiply these numbers, you get 38784. So our verification is correct. Next question. Sixth question. Let x and y be two distinct prime numbers and the given p value and q value and r value. He is asking to find HCF and LCM if their product HCF and LCM of these PQR is equals to the multiplication of PQR is same or not. He is asking the question like that. See here, take P is equals to x square y cube, split and write here, and Q x y power 4, x 1 time and 4 y 4 times, and R x 5 times and y 2 times. Now find the HCF. Take the common factors x and 2 times y. So x y square is the HCF, and take the LCM. Find the LCM. Common factors are x y square. Uncommon factors are x power 4 y square. So what is the LCM? X power 5 and y power 4 is the LCM. Now we know HCF and LCM. Now product of HCF and LCM. HCF of PQR and into LCM of PQR is equals to x y power y xy square into x power 5 y power 4. So the answer is x power 6 y power 6. But they given p into q into r value we need to find. Already p, q, r. If you multiply these three, you get x power 8 y power 9. So LCM of PQR into HCF of PQR is not is equals to p into q into r. Next question. The LCM of two numbers is 9 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 500. Find the HCF of the two numbers. Here we don't know the two numbers. So let the two numbers are A and B. The given LCM of A comma B is equal to 9 times the HCF. Let the HCF is equals to x. So LCM becomes 9x. HCF is equal to x. Then LCM is equal to 9x. They given one more condition, that is sum of LCM and HCF is equals to 500. So 9x plus x is equals to 500. 9x plus x is equal to 10x is equal to 500. 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to 50. So what is the HCF of A comma B? That is equals to 50. Next question. Eighth question. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 is equals to 9. Find the LCM of 306 and 657. We know the formula. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. LCM, we need to find the LCM. So LCM of 306 and 657 is equal to product of two numbers. 306 into 657 by HCF of 306 comma 657. This is 306 into 657 by, we know they given HCF of 306 comma 657 is equal to 9. So if you cancel, 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36. So 34 into 657. So the answer is 22338. So what is the LCM of 306 comma 657 is equals to 22338. The next question, ninth question is, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. This is very important question. Each and every paper you get this type of question. Let us assume root 2 is rational number. Root 2 is equals to A by B, where A and B are co-primes and B not is equals to 0. Then square on both sides. Root 2 whole square is equal to A square by B square. Root 2 whole square becomes 2. Root 2 whole square becomes 2 is equal to A square by B square. Now cross multiply. 2B square is equal to A square write b square is equal to a square by 2. Here a square divides 2. So a divides 2. Then a is also divided by 2. First condition. Next take if a is equal to 2c. Substitute a is equal to 2c in this equation. Then b square is equals to b square this is in this equation. B square is equal to 2c whole square by 2. So 2c whole square becomes 4c square. B square is equal to 4c square by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. B square is equal to 2c square. Again write the c square value. C square is equal to b square by 2. If b square divides 2 means then b is also divided by 2. Here 2 is dividing a and b. So our what we taken a by b is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means that HCF must be 1, but it is dividing a and b by 2. So that is irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. What we assumed that is a rational number. So our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is irrational number. Next here I given practice questions. 5 practice questions. Do practice each and every question what I written here. Copy in the notes. HCF of 2 numbers is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one of the number is 54, then the other number is what? Next question. Express 10010 and 140 as prime factors. Third question. Find the HCF of 1260 and 7344 using Euclid's algorithm. Fourth question. What is the value of HCF into LCM of the numbers 183 and 30 is what? Prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Practice these questions. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to everybody. Thank you.